Welcome back to Metallurgists. I'm Chris Hood. Today we're talking again about diamond certificates, in particular GIA certificates. Today I'm going to talk about the first of the 4 C's, which is carat weight. A lot of people get confused by carat weight when it comes to the actual measurements of a diamond. So we see the measurements because the human eye can see that a stone is bigger or smaller than another, but we can't actually see the weight. And this is one of the great challenges in buying a diamond. You can buy a stone that's a particular weight, but you're not necessarily buying a stone that's larger than a stone of the same weight. And this is where we get into something really complicated called magic weights, which has an awful lot to do with the cut grading, which is the last of the 4 C's. Basically, diamond prices look like this. So you'll notice it's not a straight line graph. The price increases to a peak, which will be a magic weight such as half a carat or 1 carat. Then the price remains static for a little while and then it climbs again. This is a really interesting thing to understand about the diamond trade, and once you understand this you can actually look for stones that are great value within that. Next week we'll move on to colour grading. Or the colour grade, which is the second of the 4 C's, but I'm going to keep coming back to this carat weight, and in fact it's the thing that I use to tie up the best place to look for value when buying a diamond. Thank you, see you next time.